This is a 2010 Audi A4. It has a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, a sunroof, heated seats, a multi-link front suspension, an intercooled turbocharger, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a 10-speaker audio system, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, a low tire pressure indicator, aluminum wheels, leather seats, side curtain airbags, air conditioning, cruise control, steering wheel controls, and this vehicle has fewer than 24,000 miles on the odometer. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.
Burdick Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 5885 East Circle Drive in Cicero.